हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द जीरोज एंड द कोफिशिएंट और आज हम इसमें केवल क्वाड्रेटिक का पार्ट देखेंगे। सो आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपको मेरा चैनल अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल के आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें। सो आगे चलते हैं पहले हमारे क्वेश्चन के ऊपर। दैट क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है इन द गिवन क्वेश्चन दैट इफ वन ऑफ द जीरो ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द अदर, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ के। सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के अंदर हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के अंदर हम जानते हैं दैट इज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल इज ऑफ दिस टाइप ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c एंड हम अगर इसमें अज्यूम करते हैं दैट टू जीरोज आर देयर, अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द टू जीरोज और वी कैन से टू रूट्स ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल. So we can say that sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and product of the roots is what? That is product of the roots alpha beta, that is equals to c by a. So we have to use these two formulas, these two applications in the given question. So in the question it is given that if one of the zero of this polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus k is the reciprocal of the other, so we have to find out the value of k. So we know that this k comes on which position? On the constant position. So over here we have to find out the product of the roots. So if we say that if one root is alpha and another root is what? 1 by alpha, because both the roots are reciprocal of each other. So we can say that the product of these two roots alpha into 1 by alpha, that is equals to c by a, that means k upon 2. Okay, so alpha and alpha will be cancelled out, so what we get? K is equals to 2. So this is the value of k. So out of the options k is equals to 2 is the correct answer. The second question, the quadratic polynomial, we have to form a quadratic polynomial whose sum of the roots is 3 and product of the zeros is 2. Sum is what? 3 and product is what? 2. So the standard form to form the polynomial is that the standard form to form the any polynomial is what? That is x square minus sum of the roots, sum of roots, or we can sum of zeros into x plus product of the roots over here. Okay, so we know that they are the two roots, x square minus this is 3 into x plus 2. Sum is 3 and product is 2, so over here we can say that x square minus 3x plus 2 is the correct answer for the given question. Now on the next question, x square plus x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, so alpha and the beta are the zeros of this polynomial, so we have to find out the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus alpha beta. From over here we know that in the question it is given alpha and beta are the zeros of this given polynomial. So we can say that alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is what? Minus b by a. So over here minus of minus 4, that is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to 4 and alpha beta product कितना आ जाएगा हमारे पास? That is 1 by a, c by a, that is 1. So over here we have to find out the value of this expression. So we have to take the LCM alpha and beta. So over here we get beta plus alpha minus alpha beta square over here. Okay, so we have to put these value from equation 1 and equation 2 in this given expression. So alpha plus beta, that is equals to 4 and minus alpha beta, that is equals to 1. 1 square is 1 upon alpha beta is 1, answer is 3. So 3 is the correct answer for the given question. Beta are the zeros of the polynomial, of the given polynomial. So given polynomial क्या है हमारे पास? That is 5x square minus 7x plus 2 is the given polynomial. So alpha and the beta are the zeros of the given polynomial, then the sum of their reciprocal, we have to find out the sum of their reciprocals. Okay, so over here sum of their reciprocals, if I am saying that alpha and the beta are the zeros and we have to find what? The sum of their reciprocals, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, we have to find out the sum of their reciprocals. That means we have to take the LCM alpha and beta LCM and over here beta plus alpha. After rearranging it we get alpha plus beta upon alpha beta, and from this we have to find out the sum of the roots, that is sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equals to what? Minus of b by a. So over here minus of minus 7 upon 5 over here, so this will be equals to 7 upon 5 and the product of the zeros alpha beta c by a, that is 2 by 5. So over here from these two expression we have to put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta over here. So what we get, alpha plus beta that is equals to what, 7 by 5, and alpha beta is equals to what, 2 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled out and it gives 7 by 2 is our answer. So this will be our answer for the given expression, sum of the reciprocals of their zeros. The next question, that if alpha and the beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, and alpha and the beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is given that kx square plus 4x plus 4. Alpha and the beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. This is kx square plus 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4 and alpha beta are the zeros, and we have to find out the value of k. We have to find out the value of k over here. We have to find out the value of k such that the expression it is given that alpha plus beta whole square minus of twice of alpha beta is equals to 24. Okay, so we have to find out the value of what, that is k, unknown variable. So over here we know that the value of alpha plus beta that is equals to minus of 4 upon k. Okay, and the value of alpha beta that is c by a, 4 upon k will be there. Okay, so over here we see that alpha plus beta is minus 4 by k and alpha beta is equals to 4 by k. So we have to put the values of the given expression over this expression. So over here minus 4 by k come over here, so we get the value this minus 4 upon k whole square minus 2. Alpha beta is equals to what, 4 by k. It means 4 divided by k is equals to 24. So after taking the common part, what we say that 16 upon k square minus 8 upon k is equals to 24 is the expression. After taking 8 common both the sides and cancel it out. Okay, so what we get finally, we get this is twice of this 1 by k square minus 1 upon k is equals to 3. After this what we take the LCM, we have to take the LCM and find out the value of k. So over here we say that after this we finally get the quadratic expression 3k square plus k and minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is our final quadratic expression over here. So ये हमारा quadratic expression आया, अब final quadratic expression आया, अब इसको मैं solve कर देता हूँ. So what we get the value of this is 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equals to 0 by splitting the middle term as we already discussed in factorization. So over here 3k common part आ गया, so k plus 1 और minus 2 common आ गया, k plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can say that either k plus 1 is equals to 0 or 3k minus 2 is equals to 0. So finally what we say, k की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, या तो minus 1 आ जाएगी, k is equals to minus 1, or we can say that is equals to 2 by 3. K is equals to minus 1 or 2 by 3. So according to the answer, according to the options, option 1 and option 2 both are correct. So we can say C is the correct option. Answer is C. So this is all about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Next lecture के अंदर अपन इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे relationship between zeros and the coefficient of cubic polynomial. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. So मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.